Nigo to chaka mangana maya yechiko sori korwa sense moyeri goma abwa se team ya Global Connections FC ya to ateri bagari ya venero komera na ababwatani baba banene korwa sense ya United States of America Steve Haynes na Ruth Haynes aba uchiko babwatisia ase eligi ya Nyanza Regional League kwa kibuna ngoisa ne kivale bili bagane ase ligi ya yuo. Aigana segeti kiari Goma Green Stadium awa se team ya Global Connections FC team kokosori mya Nyanza Regional League yabake gutaliru na bateneri na babwatani baba banene korwa sense ya United States of America ekerenge kenene no konarana na abagosori babo na kwene kibuna andake team ya Global Connections kogenderere buya na maigeri yabo.
Hi, my name is Ruth Haynes with Global Connections Foundation in the United States. We want to partner with Kisii and Nyamira and build a community center and raise up the village. We decided to start with a football club because we are raising money to build a community center. And while we're waiting to raise the funds for the community center and to build the community center, we thought football would be a great way that many of the men and women from the village could still have something to do with their time, and it would be something that it was something they told us they loved doing. So we thought we could start with that since we don't have the building yet.
At least when you go support,
Twanyore chance ngia sana yo gocha mutu yabo kobate ya santi asibatu rusirikiagara kore league buna yangete tuangete koru county league sponsor tu abwate kande karuo lakini tokanyoro bokonyi korwa saba ba Global Connections ande tokoba sese ni mono sana kiagara ba toirira as first league ba kolira na as second league tobwate chimachi go sese sana chiatigaire na chiro chitole confident kwamba ntochikole kiagara bado ntokanda tokoba support
gatiari yaba kwa ni gwanda kenemero bulio kwene kibino kubwatira no kuyagwechi gosori gatiense ya United States of America no rogongo rwa Gusii ro elio kwene kibuna ebiegwa nko babire bigosiru korwa sense meye
bari bando bonse bago toiguna bago to join babe na into egera to gwatira ni sponsor to gwate on board actually egera to gendere na ndo to skemotu ebijane basuke bagenda to the next level.
Yes, the morale is great. I mean, the players and the coaches have been really wonderful. They've put their heart and soul into every game. They've been winning many games. They've really quickly moved up in the league. So we believe in them and we're so proud of them.
Chinga kiechie chwa watani ve team ya Global Connections na banya kenyoro rwa iga sense muyeri goma nigo bachengiro kubwatira na kwa beiro gukwene kirie team ya Global Connections go ikobo tambe ya ikirebono iga
intu togo kirie sabagenia waito bachire korwa United States of America awo ba go support ekegorie kege kiabasai egera ba ndere ko
right, the passion of playing, and after the game, just like the girls just did, they stand in a circle and they hug and they realize that, you know what, we're all on the same team. And so football is one of those great things that unites people together, and it should unite this community together. But we want to make sure that this team is supported by the community. It takes a village.
Koripoti regetaseni kia Ndizi TV korwa iga asense moya Goma Green Stadium egotoka imeri Goma Ward county ya Nyamira elia taliane ndemo Steven. Nema tena machango manane go chia team ya Global Connections na bwata ni be team yuko rwa sense mo yeri Goma Ward. Tukotikara abwa team ya Global Connections niga bona gendete na marigani abavene bosi bwe go soli yabo esa ba ko soli ne team ya Kikao FC asekemeno kia Nyanza Regional League hasibate be na mega yoko nyara go ikoru ne team ya Ichuni combined ase weekend ya eta bono banyere ko yarigani bosi bwe chigo soli echo.
Challenge na teba se soli Ichuni. My key players, they are not available. I say, you might have change to go to the period gucha. 4 players were never ring again. But you don't change. You get a nine or a day. Dindanya, the Korea, Amatoka, Maya, say, Mopiro. We have Kikao, Kuruasa, Mujobo, Gari, get them. First, we thought that we would do a 0 Gari. Sai, do you want get it? Go to water with more goals.
Compared to the weekend na koru European tour ngase getine team ya Kedi, I see improvement neroro a bit and also ne challenge twanyore ne team ya Birongo because players abange baroro na bali babwate experience. I see improvement nero. It has prepared us enough, so the challenge is good and the boys are strong. A weekend aseri Korea Chumamosi asege tiege geto yanka tora tuare timu ya Kikao asebago chanka sego sori yeto ya Emeronge bere na gatatu.
Tagotikana na mangana rengete timu ya Global Connections FC amone timu ya Kikao FC ubaromera na League ya Nyanza Regional League niko bona sensemo ya vene ya mumanyo mogosori olero iga tugochikwema nyigoro mogosori omanyakaine buna Evans Boaz ugoserie timu ya Bomachoge Borabu FC uyo wateva ibintu gatie bintu biria chengereta se timu eyu no bui bwe timu ya Bomachoge Borabu FC aseba ikore timu ya Small Simba FC ngatie bintu biende abaga kweregeta senikia Ndizi TV.
Samarieta ngoro kwa Evans Boards eniki ne mubako na ngeri Brayo Brayo riri arwete kuringana no mugako minto tata ne roringete asenge jonali agatumikire musire karaga kiro mupira wete amaoni y'abantu na mange lakini nje buna amaite nje manya buna nyima ete tindi mobe no monto muyande timu yane ngo support yekoro ku Chelsea do tuachakire ligi bobe lakini going forward ni ndoche na otora to perform we are saying just some signings njiro to kora mostly to bwati point man striker bona buna Obama yange auchiko sign nkaite ngo chitore kwa babi se timu ya Borabu kwanza nche ngwa kachina amba chame gangwa kande fullback 2 na motuga gangwa kande 11 9 na 7 lakini bona buna nche according to information ni coach itago to banga 352 nganchi te waka mutu gaiga se striker tole babe ngwa ka striking esenge ncho according ne aitiane waka defense tingo nyara senge ncha aitiane tari con favor the same way na midfield tari con favor bono that's why ngo prefer waka to forward asege tieke intu na Bomachoge Borabu ntu anya goiteruge tieke igono tinga gereti sinale ngorete igo soto bago chikombe kirera wa magetieke ntu anya goitu mepira yonsi tobuete gotatigo yo motochite draw timu nere ya tuitete kere tu arenge chi playoffs igali tendere ekoro kusmo Simba ya korugogerango mat kaite kere ya chite Kenya gaiga mbai gwete uzito azini tu abairane teri fenche bata ebeto abagete chigolisa twese bose fans baito na bantabaya bagendere guto support gochimotu obuyambororo na coding buna sponsor ite okwana na chabarorere gente kiana baro batebe buna chi fans buna bagende to support sama tukagocha nchomo nyene Borabu gaiga tororo bune timu konyetiri at least to skewo cheke wango kego to ende div 2 gotira paka to ike Premier League karenda free timu ya ito stomenyete clubhouse to buate TV to korigere chime chechi to akire to arekebisha magoso to arigere chikrip we chigo tokonya na engane anyo mwali noko te bali bamaito mupiro bato join to akamu to tiramo buya twensi
Mwancho mwere na mange to kwariganire tikorwa CMS chigosori korende gekoraga chinsa isatu ntobe tugusanga amange mono esamngana rengete chigosori korende ntaranyara kunyakora ali rengete chigosori andake umugano mokeigo ntwabwate umurwoti oyomo uyu no murwoti obwate chisemi chinyinge ubwato manyo bonge uri ase umuntu begesonga abandi bateba urenge wise umurwoti oyo bono umwana naro orenga omukase oburwoti buri gusasenseri akayamwa anyare gotema umurwoti oyo akanda karigeke wangu abunora rigeke wangu ryo gotara yakaireke wangu iyo kurumanyekere buna butterfly eke wangwa agakebote asoko bakobuna mbwatiteiga akande yamaseyemo mbaka somurwoti uri akamobori nimbwateke wangu aigese ntonekere nakibwate nimbwateke wangu aiga nontebi ke wangu ekembwate moyo kere usege kwete umurwoti uri ataite ko motema elindanya reko manyanda ke chisemi chai na kichire umurwoti uri akamurigereriga abasemi chinyinge sana akamotebi rimwe liboli ligiya sana korende ke wangu ekiobwate tingo watebi wasenkere moyo usege kwete aseki esengencho obogima bwaye nigo burasoko boko kwao nabongo te abuna eke wangu ekyo moyo kere onyare ko mige byara soko boko ogeite gie kugesire obogima bwaye ebe nagu nabonda gotebi neki wangu ekwege kwete onyare kororo byoko boko igoreiga getume ko chigoro kegende igo mwana iri ribolire gya korende obogima gweke wangu ikyo nigo bora soko boko kwao na bake kwa pamoja gusegeku kubwatine kyo ranyara gukora no koboko oko esomo esingikirita gwa somo korwa somo ganoyu obogima bwao ayo mwana origeretie tie biboniga ayo musai ayo moibori obogima bwao nigo bora soko boko kwao tari ndo ranyare gukora unyare komenya obogima obia gusobo mabwa unyare ko bobobe nigo bora soko boko kwao na bokwamwa unyare kwene kinkwegendererio ri okine bunonde bwensi gusa kunyara koboita wetera ama muzi se decisions ora kora sobo gimo ino romugano ito orero yekoraga chinsa isato tunyare kobato gosanga amanyi korende sekuru amangana ringete chigosori abunango ikero mweri turana sensemo ya studio A nare gosanga ali Vincent Onyancha abwate ko SMS eyo